Hello everyone, welcome back to mathsmood. Happy to see you here. Really interesting equation today. We have x to the fourth minus 9 equal to 0 and we need to find our roots. How can you do this? Take a look closely. If we have x to the fourth power, it's really good power because 4 can be divided by 2, and moreover this 4 can be written as x squared to the second power. I hope you understand this step, because if we go right here we can easily multiply it and we will have the same as in the beginning, so nothing changed. And right here this 9 can be written as 3 squared equal to 0. And I hope you see right now that we have difference of squares. We have situation looks like a squared minus b squared, a equal to x squared, b equal to 3, so as a result we will have a minus b, and a plus b. Okay, let's split it into an identity. We will have x squared minus 3, and right here x squared plus 3 equal to 0. So the product equal to 0, so then this one equal to 0, x squared minus 3 equal to 0, and this one equal to 0, x squared plus 3 equal to 0. And right here we will find our roots. 2 roots we will have in this equation and 2 in this equation. So let's go to this one on the left hand side. So x squared equal to 3, then our x first and second will be equal to plus minus square root of 3. We're just taking square root from both of the side. This is our first pair of solution with the plus sign and with the minus sign. And right now let's solve this one. X squared plus 3 equal to 0. If we bring this 3 on the right hand side, we will have x squared equal to minus 3, which signals out that right here we will have complex roots. And right now we are going to find it. So x equal to square root of minus 3. Plus minus, of course. Just taking second root from both of the side. And of course, right here we have minus. We can write it as I squared. And we can easily find it because we will have our answer. So plus minus square root of 3i. Square root of 3i. I hope you understand this explanation. We have two roots right here, complex roots. This is 3 and 4. This is complex roots, and this is real number root. So I hope you understand this explanation. If you don't understand, write a question in comment, write your suggestion in comment. It will be really nice to read it. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. You helps me a lot to make new and interesting content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.